Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, and I know it's a little bit late in the day, but I am at my parents' house today. We are filming in the studio at my parents' house, so I wasn't home to make a quick video. We've been filming, we filmed 5 videos today, and now I'm done filming for the day, and I wanted to check in with everybody. What's on your hook today? I gotta tell you, we've been crocheting the 12 Days of Christmas videos, and they are coming along so well. I can't wait to share them with you. Every single day for the first 12 days of December, I'll post the photo of what we're going to be making, and then in the evening, like in the morning, I'll post the photo, and then in the evening, I'll be posting the video tutorial and pattern for the items that we're making. And they're so fun. We're making like house items. There's some yarn art that requires 0 skills. And so you don't even need to crochet. You can just wrap some yarn around and make it really nice. And I'll teach you how to make it look super fabulous. And a lot of people really liked the greeting card that I shared last week. I think that was last week or almost 2 weeks ago now. And so I decided to make another greeting card. And there's mug cozies, and it's just a lot of fun, easy crochet tutorials that will be the first 12 days of December. So why don't you grab your crochet hooks and some yarn and crochet along with me for the first 12 days of December. Also, I did want to announce that on December 3rd, that's Monday, December 3rd, we will have a big announcement and something that I want to share with everybody, and you won't want to miss it because it is a super fabulous deal that I cannot wait to share with everybody here on YARNutopia. So wait till December 3rd to see an announcement. I'll put announcement in like caps lock on my post. So yeah, I just wanted to check in with everybody, see what's on your hook today. I just finished my 5th tutorial filming today, so I don't have anything on my hook right now, but I will be getting something on my hook very soon. And also, speaking of my hook, I did want to mention one more time, the super fabulous Cyber Monday sale is still going on for Would Be Fancy, so make sure you check out the crochet hooks from Would Be Fancy. I'll link them in the description of this video, wherever the description goes in this video. Check out the link to Would Be Fancy. You get 30% off for the Cyber Monday deal, and that is actually going on until the 30th. So I think you have like 2 more days left to hop on this deal. 30% off. It's such a great deal. So that's all for today. Leave me your comments, show me your photos of your crochet projects, and let me know what you're crocheting for the holidays. I'd love to see them in the comment section, and I'll be on there chatting with everybody tonight. So, all right, until next time, happy hooking!